This install, we're going to focus on our most popular installation method, which is flush with the bottom of the fascia pointing straight down so you can still see the twinkle of the light, but also you get the light wash for your accent and security lighting as well. You'll have to identify what type of soffit and fascia you have. There's three main types that we deal with. There's the hardy board fascia that has a soffit with a drop down fascia board that drops down a few inches below the soffit. There's aluminum, which is very, very popular across most of the United States. That's pretty easy. It's aluminum soffit, and it sits pretty much flush with no drop down on the fascia. And then there's no eave at all. So there'll be no overhang on your eave. It'll just be flush with the wall. And that's a different type of installation, different type of track that's needed. But thousands of installs under our belt, we can give you the right direction of what you need. So as long as you send us pictures and photos of what you're dealing with, we'll get you exactly what you need for the best installation. All right, now that we've got our house measured out, we've got our installation type that we want, we've got the soffit and the fascia board all nailed down, go ahead and get your parts ordered, all right? If you have any confusion at all, very, very simple, send us the photos, your measurements, everything like that, and we'll be able to help you get ordered exactly what you need. Okay, we want to plan your wiring, your layout. So with the photos that you've snapped of the front of the house, the sides of the house, okay, we're going to be able to create a drawing from that, all right? And so as you can see here, we have the front of the house, and we're just going to mimic what the roof line looks like by drawing a flat diagram like this. What is important about this is putting your measurements on each area, like this peak is going to be this much. The reason that is important is because the system has certain load limits. It can only go so far before there's too much voltage drop and you need to add additional power or do some sort of power injection, okay? So the house that we're doing today is a very, very simple roof line, and it's under 150 linear feet, which means we'll be able to start in one corner and go all the way to the end without any sort of power injection, without any issues. There are more complicated houses that have multiple levels and multiple peaks and different gables, and so you're going to have to get creative with that wiring plan. Now, if you're confused and there's any party that doesn't understand how to wire it and do it the correct way, as long as we have a photo of the house, we have the diagram of the home, we can help you remotely and plan out the best installation method for your home. Now we got the wiring diagram, got it all figured out, okay? Now on this, the controller is going to go in the garage somewhere, right? We want the controller to be more weather protected, although you can mount it outside. There's no issues with that at all, okay? So we're gonna go, and because of this, we wanna start, and we wanna make sure our lights are all running the same direction, okay? And the lights have a little arrow on them displaying their direction. So on this, we're gonna go from right to left all the way across the house. So our starting point is going to be up in this corner where we're gonna come through with the wire from the attic, and we're going to start running our lines going this way and start putting up track. Now, I'm going to have Daniel show you how to mount the controller. He's going to show where the best location for the controller is for your system to perform at its optimal capacity.